फ्रेंड्स, हर दिन एक नया सीन. जनित भैया ऑन द स्क्रीन. इट्स वेंसडे. लेट्स गो. Good morning. Sit down. So good morning, friends. This is our standard 8 classroom, and this is how our classroom looks like. And after entering into this classroom, I discovered that students are sitting in this U-shaped arrangement. So now let us know from the students themselves that why they are sitting in this arrangement and what are the benefits of sitting in this U-shaped arrangement. So we have one student whose name is Swapnil. So good morning, Swapnil.
Sir, good morning, sir.
How are you?
I am fine, sir.
So from how long have you been sitting in this arrangement?
I have been sitting in this arrangement since 2 days.
So have you felt some benefits of this sitting arrangement?
Yes, sir. I have felt so much benefits.
Okay, so can you explain me some?
Yes, sir. So the benefits which I have experienced, that are the attentiveness of the students is enhanced. The communication between the student and the teacher is also enhanced. The teacher can keep an eye on each and every student. The view of whiteboard for every student is cleared, and the disturbance in this class is reduced, and
The disturbance is reduced. Yes, it's a good point, by the way. Okay, then.
and the feeling of a front bencher and back bencher has gone from our class.
Oh, the feeling of backbencher and front bencher has been gone. It's a very good point. Swapnil has pointed out that the feeling of backbencher and front bencher has gone. It has gone or not? Because everybody is seeing everybody's face, and the probability of interaction with the teacher as well as among yourself is enhanced. Am I right or wrong? Okay. So now let us, okay, sit down. Okay, now let us know from Dibyanshu what his thought over this sitting arrangement.
Sir, I have felt the benefits from sitting in this you-said sitting arrangement, which have fixed by our class teacher, Mr. Sharmila Solanki, that everyone is clearly visible to the teacher,
Okay.
and the teacher can keep eyes on us, and the disturbance of the classroom is reduced,
Okay.
and the consumption of area is also reduced.
Then,
Sir, there will be sameness among the backbenchers and frontbenchers, and everyone can attentive towards the teacher's activity. Thank you.
okay, sit down, good. Give a big hand to Dibyanshu and Swapnil. Yes, good. Okay, now Ansuman, what's your thoughts over this?
My experience with this U-shaped sitting arrangement, which was made by our class teacher, Mrs. Sharmila Sarangi, that the teacher can fast communicate with the students, and the disturbance will reduce because the teacher always keep eyes on the students,
Okay.
and the area consumption will decrease, as well
Okay.
as the class will silent.
Class will be silent. More discipline will be seen. Okay, fine. Okay, so friends, you have listened our students' thoughts over this U-shaped arrangement. So by the way, let me brief you. This U-shaped arrangement has been implemented after being inspired by a Malayalam film. So there is a film in Malayalam. I am forgetting the name of that film. In that film, this sitting arrangement was used. So most of the schools now, they are using this type of sitting arrangement, because this type of sitting arrangement has multiple benefits. First benefit is everybody can see everybody's face. So the likelihood of interaction with the teacher and with among yourself is increased. And the second point is the feeling of backbencher and frontbencher is also gone, because everybody is able to see everybody's face. Am I right or wrong? Yes, sir. Yes. And the third benefit is the discipline way is also increased, because the teacher can keep an eye on each and everybody. Okay? So the disturbances in the class will be reduced. Right or wrong? Yes, sir. Okay. Fine. So these are the benefits of sitting in this arrangement. So write down your homework. I am giving you a special type of homework today. Write one paragraph on the benefits of U-shaped sitting arrangement. Write one paragraph on the benefits of U-shaped sitting arrangement within 100 words. Okay? Okay, fine. So say goodbye to your viewers. Okay, thank you.
बच्चों के कुछ होमवर्क कॉपीज थे. राइट नाउ आई एम फ्री, आई एम हैविंग लीजर पीरियड. सो अभी बच्चों के कॉपीज थोड़ा सा चेक कर लेता हूँ मैं. कुछ आई कार्ड्स के सैंपल्स मैंने मंगाए थे और उसका शॉर्ट लिस्टिंग अभी चल रहा है. फ्रेंड्स, अचानक पिताजी की तबीयत बहुत ख़राब हो चुकी है. लूज़ मोशन अचानक से आधे घंटे के अंदर 5-6 बार लूज़ मोशन हो चुके हैं पिताजी को. तो मैं रिस्क ना लेकर तुरंत ही हॉस्पिटल लेके जा रहा हूँ पिताजी को. ये देखिए गाड़ी भी आ चुकी है और देखते हैं क्या होता है, डॉक्टर्स क्या बोलते हैं. अभी मैं जाजपुर गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल को आ चुका हूँ और टिकट काउंटर पे खड़ा हूँ टिकट काटने के लिए. संतोष कुमार महापात्र, 58 इयर्स. फ्रेंड्स, अभी मैं हॉस्पिटल आ चुका हूं और टिकट काउंटर से टिकट भी ले लिया है ओपीडी के लिए. अभी मैं ओपीडी की तरफ जा रहा हूं.
Static hum invades my veins marrow. Lights flicker, shadows stretch narrow. Hands move distorted in the blurred pain. Echoes of silence driving me insane. Buzz of machines screaming the truth. Colors bleed out in slow motion loops. Chasing the sparks in a world gone gray. Wires tangle, whispers of disarray. Broken glass falling like teardrops. A forgotten map where time stops. Grinding gears where dreams collapse. Caged in the rhythm, can't elapse. Buzz of machines screaming the truth.
सो फ्रेंड्स, मैं आ चुका हूँ वापस हॉस्पिटल से और ये मैं क्या देख रहा हूँ, 2 प्यारे बच्चे हमारे प्लेइंग एरिया में खेल रहे हैं. ये हमारे एक गार्डियन हैं जिनकी एक बेटी हमारे यूकेजी में पढ़ती है हमारे स्कूल में, और ये वाली छोटी बेटी है, ये अगले साल आने वाली है हमारे स्कूल को. तो फ्रेंड्स, रात हो चुकी है, थोड़ा सा पेट पूजा किया जाए. और दीपिका ने मेरे लिए सोयाबीन मैगी बनाया है. टेक केयर, गुड नाइट.